Are you getting down now? Come on. Tucker. Come on. Oh, don't be a big sissy. Come on. Oh. Come on. It's right there. You're a big dog. Come on, Tuck. Oh. It's so tough. I know it. Oh. Don't get upset. Come on. You're gonna make it. Oh. Do we need help? How about if I get the rug and you land on it so you don't slip and fall? Would that work? Gonna get down. Good boy!